What if you could grow your Instagram faster without spending hours every day writing captions, designing posts, researching hashtags, replying to comments, and figuring out what to post next? For a lot of small business owners and content creators, Instagram growth is not just about creativity, it's about consistency. And consistency is hard when you're also running a business, serving clients, shipping products, or trying to keep up with everything else in your life. That's where AI automation comes in. And no, this is not about turning your Instagram into a robotic spam machine. It's about using smart tools to save time, stay consistent, and make better content decisions faster. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the best AI tools for Instagram growth, including ChatGPT, Canva AI, Later, Hootsuite, and a few more. I'll also share practical examples of how to use each one, how much time they can save, and how to combine them into a simple workflow you can actually use. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank caption box, missed posting for a week, or spent way too long making one carousel post, this video is for you. Here's the real problem with Instagram growth. Most people think they need more motivation, when what they actually need is a better system. Instagram rewards consistency, relevance, and engagement. But creating content consistently can take a huge amount of time. On average, small businesses can spend 5 to 10 hours a week just planning, creating, scheduling, and responding on social media. And when time is limited, the first thing that usually disappears is strategy. You post randomly, captions become rushed, your branding gets inconsistent, and your growth slows down. AI helps solve that by reducing the repetitive work. It can help you brainstorm content ideas in minutes, write better captions faster, generate design drafts, schedule posts at the best times, and even analyze what's working so you can do more of it. The goal is not to replace your voice. The goal is to remove friction. So let's start with the tool that powers a lot of this workflow. Tool number 1. ChatGPT for content ideas and captions. ChatGPT is one of the most useful AI tools for Instagram growth because it can speed up the two things that drain the most energy: ideation and writing. Instead of spending 30 minutes trying to think of one good post idea, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 30 Instagram content ideas for your niche in under a minute. For example, a skincare brand could prompt, "Give me 20 Instagram reel ideas and 20 carousel ideas for a small skincare business targeting busy women in their 30s. You can also use it to write captions based on your brand voice. Let's say you're a fitness coach. You can ask ChatGPT to write 3 caption options for a reel about beginner workout mistakes, with one version educational, one version conversational, and one version more sales-focused. This alone can easily save 2 to 4 hours per week if you normally write everything from scratch. Practical tip: don't just ask for captions. Ask for hooks, calls to action, hashtag ideas, carousel slide text, story poll questions, and repurposed versions of the same post. One piece of content can turn into 5. The key is to treat ChatGPT like a strategist and first draft writer, not a copy and paste machine. Always edit the output so it sounds like you. Tool number 2, Canva AI for fast content design. Once you have the idea and the caption, the next bottleneck is design. This is where Canva AI can save a huge amount of time. Canva already makes design easier, but its AI tools take things further. With Magic Write, you can generate text for posts. With Magic Design, you can turn a prompt into visual layouts. You can also resize content instantly for different formats, remove backgrounds, generate images, and create branded templates that make content creation much faster. For example, if you run a bakery, you can create a reusable Instagram carousel template for product launches, customer testimonials, or behind-the-scenes posts. Instead of designing each post from zero, you plug in the new text and images, and you're done. Many creators spend 20 to 40 minutes designing a single carousel. With Canva AI and pre-built templates, that can drop to 5 to 10 minutes. Over a month, that can save several hours. Practical tip: build a simple brand kit inside Canva with your fonts, colors, logo, and 3 to 5 post templates. Then use AI only to speed up the first draft, not to replace your brand identity. Fast content is useful. Fast content that still looks on brand is what actually helps you grow. Tool number 3. Later for AI-powered scheduling. Another reason Later stands out is how much manual work it removes from the posting process. Instead of logging in multiple times a day, guessing the best posting window, and rewriting captions for every format, you can batch everything in one session. For most creators and small businesses, that alone can cut content management time by around 4 to 6 hours per week. Later's AI caption support helps you generate post copy faster, while its visual planner makes it easy to map out an entire Instagram feed before anything goes live. That means fewer rushed decisions and a more consistent brand look. The best part is the automation loop. Create content in batches, schedule it in advance, let AI refine captions and timing, then review performance after it's published. That turns Instagram from a daily task into a system. Tool number 4. Hootsuite for AI content planning and analytics. If Later is great for visual scheduling, Hootsuite is a strong option when you want automation plus deeper performance insights. One of its biggest advantages is that it combines content planning, AI writing assistance, scheduling, and analytics in one dashboard. Hootsuite's AI tools help speed up caption creation, hashtag brainstorming, and post variations for different audience segments. That can reduce content creation time by up to 30 to 40%, especially if you're posting frequently. On top of that, its analytics can save another 2 to 3 hours per week by automatically surfacing trends you'd otherwise have to find manually. What makes this useful for Instagram growth is the feedback loop. You're not just automating content, you're learning which posts drive saves, shares, profile visits, and follower growth. Tool number 5. ChatGPT plus Canva Magic Studio for content repurposing. Now let's talk about one of the smartest AI strategies for Instagram growth: repurposing. Because the fastest way to grow is not creating more from scratch. It's turning one idea into multiple pieces of content. Here's how it works. You take one core input, maybe a blog post, YouTube script, podcast transcript, or product lesson, and use ChatGPT to break it into carousel copy, reel hooks, captions, story prompts, and calls to action. Then Canva Magic Studio helps turn that copy into branded visuals fast. For many creators, this kind of system can reduce content production time by 50 to 70%. One long-form piece of content can become 5 to 10 Instagram assets in a single batch session. That means more output, better consistency, and less creative burnout. So if you want to grow on Instagram without doing everything manually, AI automation is no longer optional. It's a competitive advantage. Tools like ChatGPT help you write faster. Canva speeds up design. Later automates scheduling. Hootsuite gives you smarter analytics. And repurposing systems let you multiply content without multiplying your workload. The real goal here isn't just saving time, although saving 5, 10, or even 15 hours a week is a huge win. The bigger goal is consistency. Because on Instagram, the accounts that grow are usually the ones that keep showing up. And AI makes that a lot easier. If you use these tools the right way, you can spend less time stuck in content creation and more time focusing on strategy, offers, community, and actual business growth. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new AI automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.